So I've just finished running or jogging for about an hour. It is about 3 degrees, quite windy up on the hill, and I am extremely hot. I am too hot. I am too warm. I just thought I'd do a very quick, just show you what I wear when I'm running in very horrible weather. You just to give you a few pointers, even if there's one good idea here and I help you, that is good. So phone and car key goes in this very thin belt around my waist. The main reason I bought this is because I was so unhappy with my phone battery just plummeting whenever I went out in the cold. And I thought, how can I keep my phone battery warmer next to my skin? So I keep it next to my body with my car keys. Phone and car keys, probably the most important thing I have on me, and I feel very secure and comfortable knowing that they're next to my body. I feel them there. It's not like a pocket where you can get to the end. Where's your car key? Where's your phone? These are next to my body and I know they're always there, and my body warmth is keeping them in good condition. The other thing, gloves, like neoprene gloves, so wetsuit type material, dry suit, whatever it is, neoprene gloves, available online, just, you know, £6, £7, really warm. A bit of a pain to dry when you get home, but they are much warmer than anything else of the same thickness. Hat and buff, essential. This is one of those buffs that's got a bit of a micro fleece on it. I find I know I like to be really snug when I'm running, so I have it like this, and you can see my hat. I turn my hat, so I sweat a lot. I turn my hat round and round, turn it inside out, whatever, just to keep me comfortable. So I have just to carry more wind stopper. So I'd always run in a wind stopper as opposed to a fleece. A wind stopper can just do so much more than a fleece can. No comparison really. I wouldn't bother running in a fleece. I would just run in a wind stopper, and it makes such a difference. I think stopping the wind is more important than anything else. So that's what you want to do. And then today, when I started running, it was hammering down with rain. I don't want to run in a waterproof jacket. I don't find that comfortable. So just have a very thin shell. This is Paramo. Just a very thin shell tied around my waist. You don't know it's there. Put that on if it starts hammering down. Headphones, essential for motivation, well-being, keeping you going. Makes a massive difference. If I forget my headphones, if I turn up to a run and I've forgotten my headphones, sometimes I really do consider going back home to get them. It makes that much difference for me, keeping me going on the run. Underneath, and anything, you know, you're washing these things every day, so just a t-shirt, base layer, thermal vest, old-fashioned woolly jumper. I can't think anything really beats it. Polyester, acrylic, I find they wash and dry quite easily. If you're running 3 or 4 times a week, these things are, of course, to take into consideration. And then I've just got some very thin, like rain trousers on, Berghaus Deluxe they're called. Easier than me showing them now. I know if it's really bad, I'll run in like running tights with shorts on top. But if it's cold, but if it's raining, I will just pull some waterproof trousers on. You need them to be thin, obviously, for the functionality when you're running. But with these Berghaus Deluge or similar, you really don't know they're there. I'm not the fastest of runners, so they don't hinder me whatsoever. And you know, in these sorts of conditions, you do need them. And I think once I have taken them off and tied them around my waist. So a lot of people, you know, you're always tying your jacket around your waist, but a lot of people don't realise that you can tie your waterproof trousers around your waist as well if you have to. But because the conditions are quite bad all the way round, I've kept them on, and I'm glad of it as well. And yeah, and of course, as I said at the start of the video, not a very nice day, but I've achieved a run of an hour. I felt really warm all the way round, too warm, and I've got back to the car now and I'm just absolutely sweating cobs, too warm. And that's it, you know, get out running, put on some decent clothes and go running. Don't let the weather put you off. Take care.